Today we're making
fresh rolls. These are gonna be the best, most fresh, chill dinner ever. Kids love to make them, so it's really fun, interactive. You just get all the stuff out and let your kids go crazy.
So our fresh rolls are packed with a bunch of vegetables.
Yeah.
We are gonna do some with shrimp. We use rice sticks and we use rice papers.
And they're vegan. And the peanut sauce that we use for dipping is vegan as well. So
Yeah.
this is a good option for a lot of different people. It's great for everyone. It's a good crowd pleaser for any dietary issues. It's like perfect, because it's build your own. Put what you want in it. It's great.
Yeah.
Roll it up and eat it. First thing we're gonna do, make the peanut dipping sauce. First thing you're gonna need is 2 cups of peanuts. And today we're just using dry roasted, but you can use raw peanuts. You can use just whatever peanuts you already have at home. Just use those. 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, preferably with no sugar. 2 teaspoons of sambal. Unless you want it spicier, you can add a little more. 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger, and you're gonna need 4 cloves of garlic. In goes the peanuts, soy sauce, the rice wine vinegar, sambal, the garlic and ginger, a teaspoon of salt, and now we're just gonna add 1 1/4 cups water to help thin it out and get it to the right consistency. And now, just put the lid on and blend it up. We're gonna give it a taste and see if it needs any adjustments, and that's it. Oh my God. So much peanutty flavor, it's so creamy. And the raw ginger and garlic gives it like this it's so good, you're gonna love it. Ryan, you wanna try it? What do you think?
Wow, that's so good.
Now that you have this incredible peanut sauce, you're gonna want it as a staple in your pantry. It's so good on everything. You can thin it with a little bit of olive oil and use it as a salad dressing, and it's like.
Now we're gonna rehydrate these rice sticks. All you gotta do is soak them in a little bit of hot water. I'm gonna turn the burner on. They rehydrate really easy. That's all we need. Just add these in. And just let these soak for probably a couple minutes. All right, it's been like 3 minutes, so I'm gonna turn off the heat. These are ready to go. I'm just gonna strain them off. So now I'm just gonna rinse them with cold water to stop the cooking. There you go.
After Ryan did the filler noodles, because this is what's gonna go inside the wrappers, I'm gonna go through and show you all the different options and varieties of stuff that you can put inside of the wraps. So I like to use cucumbers, bean sprouts. These are mung bean sprouts. We've got some julienne carrots here, all multicolored. So we've got cilantro, we've got regular basil, some Thai basil in here. We've got a lot of fresh mint here, and avocados, water chestnuts, and some red leaf lettuce. So it's really whatever you want. And then you can add the protein. So Ryan's gonna make his with shrimp and I'm gonna do mine just veggie. And I'm gonna show you guys how to get these going. Now we heat up the rice papers. So this one is ready to go. Just gonna lay it on a flat surface here. And then I'm just gonna start loading it up. So we're gonna start with this here. I'm gonna grab some avocado, nice big piece. We're gonna go in with some carrots. Let's do some of the cucumber. Some bean sprouts. think I'm gonna use some of these water chestnuts too, because I like a little bit of that crunch in mine. We're gonna add some of these herbs, a little bit of each one, because that's what I like. I like everything. Got cilantro, just a little bit of the basil. And this I'll lay on top to kind of keep everything in place. I'm gonna grab the bottom, fold that up, grab the sides, and then just roll it up. Look at this beauty. It's like a rainbow. It's gonna be so good. And then we're gonna put dipping sauce on it and eat it. That's it. I'm gonna have Ryan come over and we're gonna bust out a whole bunch of them. And then at the end, we'll eat them together.
1, 2, 3.
That was it. So fun. I
So
love making those.
Let's eat.
I'm so excited to eat.
Don't eat the shrimp ones. Oh my God.
I know. Look at their, aren't they so pretty? I love how these look. These are just a blast. I love making these.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Look at all that good stuff.
It's so much fresh, bright flavors, but then the sauce is what just like slaps it.
I'm in love with these. I know I say that about everything, but
Yeah, and if you want that extra hit of spice, get that sriracha, baby. These are incredible.
guys,
They're
treat
so
yourself.
good. Treat yourself. Treat yourself to peanut sauce.
What do you call it? Comment below. Let us know what you made, what ingredients you used. Definitely try these out. These are a winner. Cooking with Two Chefs. Follow us on Facebook
And Instagram.
and Instagram. All those things.
Subscribe. Tell your friends.
We will see you next time.
Share a fresh roll. Share a high five.